Good morning, all the PGTs in computer science of our EMR schools. Now we are just 5 minutes late due to heavy rain is going on here, and the research person has just arrived. तेणु बर्तमान मु आम आज रिसर्च पर्सन होती प्रोफेसर संजय कुमार सरंगी सी ऑलरेडी आपण मानकर 2टा क्लास नहीं सारी तेणु मु डायरेक्टली बर्तमान सर पहुंचा जाऊँ तलु आसान ना आज आपंकर लास्ट कंप्यूटर साइंस लास्ट एवं ऑल EMR स्कूल जतक आसंता काली विल बी लास्ट बिकॉज इंग्लिश विल बी देयर. So now Professor Sarangi has reached. So now I directly hand over to Professor Sarangi to start his deliberation. Thank you, Professor Sarangi.
No. Very good morning to all of you.
Good morning, sir.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Audible,
Am I
sir.
audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So again we so as per your schedule, yes. Anybody is telling something? Anybody wants to tell something? Okay. So today, as per your schedule, so today we'll discuss regarding the computer network and different what is the most essential of this, how will that means we are using this technology in computer science, and what is the DCC, and that means data communication and computer network. So how communication takes place within the computer network, which is very, very important. Okay. So before starting up this session or whatever the two session we are going to discuss. So first of all, we'll discuss the computer network. So computer network. So previously we that means got all the technology that is running behind the computer or the computing system, that is completely the internal system. Yes or no? So as per the definition, whatever the peripheral, whatever the devices, and whatever the external components we are connecting, so that means that computer itself, that means he is completely responsible to identify, to detect, and to share whatever the data, whatever the information the user wants to share. Yes or no? So computer network means it is again what? So let it be the physical connectivity of the, that means let more than one computers are there. Suppose you people are sitting there and you are that means connected to me. I am here and I am sharing something to you. Okay, so I am sharing something to you means what? That means it is only possible due to the that means this network technology. Yes or no? So this is the advanced technology of the computer network. Yes or no? So nowadays we are able to avail all the services. It may be teaching, it may be the data sharing, it may be whatever the services we have. So we are how we are exactly getting or how we are sharing each other. So the information can be shared among all. So only possible due to the availability of the computer network. Yes or no? So we know that internet is taking the vital role in this computer network. Okay. So he is completely that means taking the role in between the user, all the connectivity in between all the users. Okay. So before starting all this concept, what are the different components? What are the different that means elements? What are the that means more? What are the most essential that means technology running behind that? What is the protocols? So everything we'll discuss in later. So before that, so again we'll discuss that means what is the computer network and what is networking. Okay. So network and networking. So network means what? Again, it is the physical connectivity of more than one computer from different places. Not like that. All the it may be that means more than one computers physically. It may be in one place. It may be in different room. It may be different building, or it may be different that means city, or it may be different country. Yes or no? But most essential is that how we are using or how you are configuring the technology. On that basis we are able to, that means finally user is handling everything. Yes or no? So that's why whatever the information I have in my computer, or whatever the that means services that means my system has, so how those services or information can be shared among all the connectivities. Yes or no? So that is our main objective. So simple, if you will give the definition of computer network means what? It is the connectivity. It is the physical connectivity. Yes or no? Okay. So how you are connecting? We are connecting all the computers. If we are connecting all the computers each other, so then we are saying it is the computer network, because everybody knows network. It is the very that is used that is the word. Yes or no? So network means it may be any connectivity. It may be, suppose that means different types of peoples are connected, different societies are interconnected, different communities are interconnected, different that means groups are connected. So only the purpose of the computer the network is what? That is to establish or to share their views, to share their information among the connectivities. Okay. So as we are discussing about the computational technology or computing system, and we are saying that yes, the when more than one computers are connected each other from different place, we are saying that yes, it is the computer network. Am I audible, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you, thank you. So we know that this is the computer network. Then we came to what? That is the computer networking. Okay, so network and networking. So network and networking means what? The networking means, that means the services. That means what type of that means assignment is going on within the connectivity. So that is known as the that is your networking. So we can say sharing of information and services within the connectivity is known as the networking. Okay. So it may be, so let it be, we are saying the physical connectivity of the computers. So computers means it may be the mobile, it may be the laptop, it may be the desktop, it may be the any type of high computing systems. So when we are connecting all the computers physically, so we are saying that is the computer network. But essential, why we go for the computer network? Why we go for the physical connectivity? It is very, very important. So if question is coming, why we are going? So lots of questions are that is coming to our mind. So exactly what previously we were doing, that is standalone system, because all the computers were used as the standalone. That means standalone means no connectivity. That means physically any person wants to access any information, physically he has to come to that system and he has to access all the data through the physical any memories or any devices or we are using. But to avoid that problem, let it be in the building. Suppose I want to send some of the data from one room to another room, one building to another building, one city to another cities. So like like your post office system. That means whenever I want to send some parcel, so physically we are depending on the postal service. Exactly the same logic is implemented in the computer science. So that means without moving to anywhere, how physically we are accessed in my system by connecting the computers to other computers. Okay, so that's why what we are doing, we are connecting all the computers, but it is not that means sufficient. Yes, once the systems are connected, then you can avail the service, or you can access the data, or you can access any type of services. But what is the next assignment? That means within that connectivity, that means whatever the service you want, so that must be, that means communicate within the connectivity. So that's why that is known as the computer networking. So what is the difference? So network means the physical connectivity, and networking means sharing of information and services within the connectivity or within the computer network. We can say, so technically we can say the sharing of information and services within the computer network is known as the computer networking. Now clear the difference between? Then we will again we'll discuss what the computer network and computer networking. Okay, so in the computer network, so network means, I told, guess what, that means physical connectivity. Again, question is that if we were using the computer as standalone system, then how we'll connect all the distinguished computers from different places? Yes or no? So if we are saying yes, before sharing we are going to connect, again how physically we will connect, that means distinguished computers from different places? Because it is not like that you can use only this type of system, you can use this type of mobiles. So that means all the computing systems can be connected each other, that means from the different places. So thing is that how we will connect? So for the physical connectivity, we are saying what are the different elements for the computer network? Yes or no? So that means what are the most essential that means elements we are using for the computer network? So first is what? That is more than one computers. First is more than one computers. Okay, so first is more than one, definitely, because without number of computers we can't that means share the services each other. So definitely we need more than one computers. Second is what? That means that is the connectivity. So connectivity means what is that? This is the physical, that means or communication medium. Okay, so now we are discussing the computer network. Then we will go for the networking. Okay, next we will go for the network. So in this, to establish the computer network, what we will do that? So that means we need more than one computers. It may be any distinguished computers. Then connectivity, that means the communication medium. Third is what? That is the rules for communications. Okay, so third one is what? That is the rules for communication. So here more than one computer, everybody knows that we can buy the computers, you can purchase the computers, you can place anywhere in different places. So that is not that is you all of you are aware of this. So next is the most important is the communication medium. So here communication medium means what? It may be the physical medium, and also we need some connectivity devices. Okay, connectivity devices. So as per discussion, what are the communication medium? So in communication medium, we are having the physical medium and another is your wireless medium. Okay, so we are having the physical medium and we are having the wireless medium. So physical medium means that means what are that we will think for that what are the physical communication entities or the physical medias, that means those are always used when we are connecting all the computers each other with the computers. Okay, so what are the physical mediums? Okay, so first is coaxial, next is twisted pair TP, third one is your fiber optic. Okay, okay, so that means these are the cable medias we are using when more than one computers or distinguished computers are connected to each other from different places. Okay, so what are the physical medias? So one is coaxial cable, second is twisted pair cable, and third one is your fiber optic cable. Okay, so coaxial cable everybody knows, that means previously that means nowadays whatever the data or whatever the cable we are using for connecting to the computer, that is the coaxial cable. And also twisted pair, we are also using the twisted pair, that means that is the UTP and STP. Twisted pair means you have that means you have already seen that nowadays everywhere in the physical connectivity we are using the fiber optic and your twisted pair. So whatever the short cables we are using in the office, so that is known as the twisted pair cable. Okay, why twisted? So twisted means some pairs of cables are inside there. Okay, like this. So you will be getting 4 pairs in the cable, twisted pair cable. Okay, and this twisted pair is one is UTP and another is your STP. So UTP is unshielded twisted pair and STP is your shielded twisted pair. So UTP means normally whatever the computer network we are using, that is UTP, unshielded twisted pair. But STP in the telecommunication, they are using the STP because to reduce the electromagnetic induction or the flux. So that's why one aluminum foil is that is wrapped to the cable, that is wrapped. So that's why it is known as shielded twisted pair, to protect or to avoid what, that is to reduce the electromagnetic flux. Okay, so that is one of the physical physical medium. Then fiber optic, nowadays you'll be getting in every office, in every building, you'll be getting that for the external connectivity. Yes or no? The for external connectivity we are using the fiber optic, because in fiber optic, so data transfer is very faster than other tools, because this is the coaxial and twisted pair, these are made of copper. Okay, but fiber optic, it is made of glass. So glass means, so data is communicated in the form of light wave. So that's why, so data transfer is very faster than this that means in coaxial twisted pair. In twisted pair, it is made of copper. So copper means data transmission is going on in the form of volt or current. Okay, so data is communicated in the form of volt and current, whereas in fiber optic, so data is communicated in the form of light wavelength. So that's why it is very faster. So nowadays you will be getting for the building to building or office to office or anywhere, so as per the distance measured, everywhere using the fiber optic line. So you know that for your home internet connectivity, so different internet service provider, they are providing the fiber optic line. So what is that? Because in the fiber optic line, so data transfer is very faster than than this twisted pair and the coaxial cable system. So that's why this is the communication, physical communication mediums. Any doubt from this? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, thank you. So next is what? That is the wireless communication medium. So what is wireless? Like physical medium, we are also having the wireless communication medium. So why we go for the wireless? Because nowadays everything is wireless. Yes or no? Because due to what? due to some major problem of the physical connectivity, because we are not cautious about, or we are not maintaining properly whatever the cables or whatever the physical connectivity we are using. So due to that, again the technology came with the wireless communication system. Let it be, I'm giving the example. See, in your suppose we are going to connect one building to another building. Let it be one building is in that means Rasulgarh, or one building is in let it be Khandagiri. Okay, so that means my objective, how I will connect, that means in two building from Rasulgarh to that is Khandagiri. Yes or no? So in between that, lots of, that means suppose I will I will use the fiber optic line, or it may be the any twisted pair or whatever it may be. So definitely I will choose the physical connectivity. If it is fiber optic, then what is the problem behind that? Again, lots of wire I have to purchase. Again, it is very high cost, and reliable. It is not. It is reliable, but thing is that somebody they may cut the wire, or it may be damaged due to the weather. So that's purpose what we are using to connect two buildings each other. We are using the wireless communication medium. Okay, so to link two buildings, let it be these are the two building I am going to connect. So that means I will use different. I will use what the wireless communication medium. That's why two building can be connected each other for the effective communications. Okay, so like this, these are two building, and we are not using any fiber optic line. We are using two micro antennas to connect two buildings each other. So, but what is that? Here is we are using the wireless mediums. Okay, so that means in wireless medium, whatever the wireless medium we have, the medium is always air. Air is the medium who is carrying your data or signal from one building to another building. But these are the devices we are using to transmit the data or any service or information in the air medium. Yes or no? So that's why, what are the different wireless mediums? In the air, in which form the data is transmitted. Okay, that is important, because in physically we are having one is fiber optic, another is made of copper, one is made of glass. But in wireless medium, only air medium is there. Again, how to make it faster? We are using different wireless mediums. Like first is your, that is microwaves. Okay. Next is radio waves. Then is your infrared, your Bluetooth. Nowadays we all are using the Wi-Fi. Okay, so these are different wireless mediums we are using. So medium means backup, nahi power backup. Nahi. Thank you. पाठपढ़ा कौन की टेक्निकल पाठ था एटा तो सब स्लाइड रे पढले खाली से टिके पिला को पढे बने ना कि टीचर टीचर ना